Welcome to Crazy Turtle, and I think it's like pumpkin week at our house because everything everybody wants to eat is pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. So I'm starting out today with some pumpkin muffins. So in this bowl, I have my dry ingredients: flour, salt, pumpkin pie spice, and cinnamon. And I'm just going to whisk that together. While I'm doing this, my oven is preheating to 400 degrees. And this is a really nice pumpkin recipe for especially breakfast muffins. I think you can turn them into dessert muffins with a little cinnamon sugar on top. But we're focusing more on breakfast because I have some other sweet treats planned. And in this bowl, I have my dark brown sugar and an egg. I will add to that my canola oil and my molasses. Surprisingly, molasses as a sweetener actually has a fair amount of minerals and is a nice source of iron. Yes, it is a sweetener, so I don't think you'd want to go chugging it. It's a pretty strong flavor, but there is some healthy benefits to it. So we're putting all of these together. And that is a very strong smell. That is the flavor that I'm smelling right now. I like to use a lot of molasses. It lasts a long time. It's great with baked beans, barbecue sauces as well, and I use it for baking. I'm going to add an egg separately. Voila. And see until that is fully incorporated. And then 2/3 a cup of that magic ingredient, pumpkin, that we're all craving today. And hopefully that craving will remain by the end of the week. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Yes, and that vanilla does kind of balance out that strength of that molasses. Okay, so at this point, we're just going to alternate our dry ingredients with a little bit of buttermilk until they are all combined. You see that beautiful, beautiful kind of pumpkin brown color that we've got. So I have sprayed every single one of these muffin cups individually. You could absolutely use paper muffin cups. That is kind of your preference. And we're just going to fill these up. I love this little tool. It's kind of like an ice cream scoop, but I use it more for baking. And it just is so much neater for me. A lot of these things I ask for birthday or Christmas, things that are going to make my life a little bit easier in the kitchen. And they're perfect gifts because I love, well, just trying new things and just being in the kitchen, which is why I'm here in front of the camera sharing things with you. All right, so that's about as much of that as I can squeeze out. And I apologize for the loud noise, but you'll want to drop your muffin tin so that there's no air bubbles. And I'm just going to smooth those out just a touch. If you wanted to make these a little sweeter, this would be the perfect time to add some cinnamon sugar blend on top. Again, I just want them to be pure pumpkin and pumpkin spice. So see you back in about 20 minutes while these bake. So these actually for me took about 18 minutes. I know I initially said 20 minutes, but I check about 15 minutes just to make sure. Yes, they are baked through. Yay! So we're just going to leave this on a wire rack for 15 minutes to cool a little bit. Then we will remove them and let them cool completely. So these have been cooling for about 15 minutes. You may need to use your knife, but I would let them cool on the rack until they're ready to serve. Again, if you wanted to make these a little bit more sweet, I would put like a little cinnamon sugar on the top. But these are great breakfast muffins. Slather them with cream cheese or butter. But they are delicious and moist. So thank you so much for tuning in to our pumpkin frenzy over here at Crazy Turtle's Kitchen. Hope to see you soon. Take care.